I've learned a lot from the EPSCoR program, specifically genetic skills and fieldwork skills. I also got the opportunity to mentor some undergraduate and high school students in the lab, which was really cool. I'm Constance and I'm a graduate research assistant in the EPSCoR program. So I've been in the GRA program for 3.5 years now. I heard about the EPSCoR program actually through an email list. I got an email and was looking for different positions, either jobs or master's programs, and I decided to apply because Guam sounded like a really cool place. It had a lot of coral reefs, so it was the perfect place to study the marine environment. My thesis is studying the gene expression of different corals when they're acclimating to different temperature and light conditions. So it's kind of to simulate what would happen with climate change and look at what's happening not only at like a physical level, but what's going on inside the coral internally, like at a molecular level. Coral reefs are super important to Guam and to the entire world because they offer valuable ecosystem services like providing fish habitat for food that we eat, as well as protecting the island against wave action and storm. The problem is with climate change, it's projected that a lot of the coral reefs will start to die off. So we are studying potential ways to save the corals. And one of these ways is to look at the different genes that corals express and try to pick the more stress-resistant coral species. Working under Dr. Lemmer has been great. I know that it's really important to pick a good advisor, and I chatted with her before I came to the program and really loved her. She was super enthusiastic about coral research and invertebrate research in general, and so far she has been a great mentor. We have weekly meetings, which I really like. It keeps me accountable.
You know, every student is different in the way that they respond to your mentoring, basically. And Constance is someone who listens very well, and she's someone who takes all the information out of you. She's like a quiet strength. Mentoring Constance was a really nice experience all along. We learned together. She joined my lab at the very beginning when I just started. She's a very dedicated and smart student, and it was very interesting to see her gradually evolve and become more and more knowledgeable in all the science that she was doing.
So after this program, I want to start applying for various jobs, but in the meantime, I'm going to stay here in Guam and work for Dr. Lemmer for another few months while I start the application process. For someone new to the program who just got in, I'd say try to take advantage of all the opportunities that you can, because there's a lot of great researchers and students at the Marine Lab that always need assistance. Just get an idea of what you like to do through the program, because it's a really great program.